Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today my special topic for you is Work is Worship Stotra. It's a fantastic stotra composed by Sri Adi Shankara, and then it can be a Shiva Stotra and also a Vishnu Stotra. How beautifully it is composed, you just see. And I am going to just recite this wonderful stotra and explain you the verbatim meanings. So this is composed in Shardula Vikirita Chandas, my dear friends. This is also composed in Shardula Vrutta. So before reciting this fantastic stotra, as usual, we'll do some short prayers. Here I go, my dear friends. Om Gam Ganapataye Namah. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namah. Om Sam Saraswatye Namah. Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namah. Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namah. Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namah. ओम मातृभ्यो नमः ओम पितृभ्यो नमः ओम ऋषिभ्यो नमः ओम मुनिभ्यो नमः ओम आचार्येभ्यश्च नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यश्च देवी देवताभ्यश्च नमो नमः हरि ओम सत्य जय श्री राम. So now we are done with the prayers, my dear friends. Now I am going to recite this wonderful stotra. Work is worship stotra. All the work we are doing, whichever work we are doing, it can be a worship. How it can be a worship to Lord Almighty, we just see. First, I am going to recite this stotra as a Shiva stotra, and then in the end, we will see how it can be easily converted into a Vishnu stotra also. So here I go, my dear friends. The Work is Worship stotra, composed by Sri Adi Shankara, 19 letter 4 lines, Shardula Chandas, fantastic stotra. Here I go. Om Atma Tvam Girijamati सहचरा प्राणा शरीरं गृहं पूजाते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधिस्थितिः संचारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधि स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरः यद्यत्कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम्. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? The meaning is very simple and very beautiful, wonderful meaning it is having. Now we'll just explore the meanings, verbatim meanings. First padam, what it says. Atma Tvam Girijamatihi. Atma Tvam means inside our body there is a soul, there is a Jivatma, and inside that there is a Paramatma also. So Atma Tvam, we are addressing to this Lord Shiva. The devotee is saying, you are nothing but you are none other than our Atma. Our Atma, or Paramatma, inside our body, you are residing. Inside our body, you are the Paramatma. Atma Tvam Girijamati. Girija means Parvati Devi. Everybody knows she is the daughter of Himavat Parvata, so she is called as Girija. Gire Jata Girija. So Girijamati, Parvati is our intellect. Inside our body resides Lord Shiva, who is nothing but the Jivatma, Paramatma, and Girja is our intellect. The Parvati Devi is like our intellect. Sahachara Pranaha. All the Prana Shaktis. Which are the Prana Shaktis? The sixth Prana Shaktis are residing in our body. Prana Shaktis means vital energies in our body, which are responsible for all our bodily functions. So these Prana Shaktis are termed as Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana, Saprana. These are the 6 vital energies in our body. So Sahachara Pranaha, our companions are nothing but all the 6 vital energies which are residing in our body as Prana Shakti. Sahachara Prana Shariram Gruham. This entire body, our body itself is our residence or a temple. Fantastic meaning, isn't it, my dear friends? The first padam is Atma Tvam Girijamati Sahachara Prana Shariram Gruham. Second padam, what it says? Pujate Vishayopabhoga Rachana. Vishayopabhoga Rachana means all the enjoyments we enjoy through our senses. It can be a worship also if you do it in the right sense. As per the Vihita karmas in the Shastras, if you do, it can all be a worship to Lord Almighty. So design Vishayopabhoga Rachana. the designing of our enjoyments, all our enjoyments through our senses can itself be a worship, perfect worship to Lord Almighty if we do it properly as per the Vihita Shastras. So that is it, my dear friends. पूजाते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा samadhi. Every day we enter into deep sleep, and that itself can be our samadhi. So by remembering God, by meditating upon Lord, if we enter into sleep, that itself it will be a samadhi. It is like our samadhi, because we don't know the methods to achieve that great samadhi, etc. By simple remembrance of God and entering into sleep, that itself can be a samadhi to us. So that is the fantastic meaning of the second padam. So third padam, what it says, sanchara padayo pradakshina vidihi. We are walking. Sanchara means we are moving. How we are moving? We are walking with our legs. Sanchara padayoho, moving with our legs. Pradakshina vidhi, that itself is the pradakshina vidhi, the circumambulance of the temple pradakshina we do whenever we go to temple. Suppose we are not able to go to temple, wherever we go, with our legs only we go, isn't it, by walk. That walk itself is a pradakshina. That is the meaning. Sanchara padayoho pradakshina vidhi. Fantastic meaning. Stotrani sarvagiraha, and we may not know several stotras, but whatever we speak, if we speak with love and reverence to Almighty and others, that itself can be a worship to God. Stotrani sarvagiraha. Giraha means the speech. All our speeches, whatever we speak, can be a worship to Lord Almighty if we do it in the right manner, if we do it properly. Stotrani sarvagiraha. All whatever we speak can be a worship to God. So fantastic meaning of the third padam there. So fourth padam, what it says, yad karma karomi tattadakhilam. Whatever work we undertake, or whichever work we do, yad karma karomi. Whichever work we do, tattadakhilam. That work itself, that very work itself, all those works itself can be worship to God. Shambho tavaradhanam. That's why all these are worship to you. Fantastic meaning. Fourth padam, yad karma karomi tattadakhilam shambho tavaradhanam. Fantastic meaning, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we just recite this fantastic shloka again and then wrap up this video. I told you it can be easily converted to a Vishnu Stotra also. Now it has begun as a Shiva Stotra, we will just end it as a Vishnu Stotra. For that, I have just made the conversion of only 2 words here in this fantastic composition. Atma Tvam Girija Matihi. Instead of saying Girija, if you see Kamala, Kamala means Lakshmi. And the Chandas will be same, Shardula Vipirita. Kamala also the same pattern it gives, Shardula Chandas pattern. And then Girija also give the same pattern. So Atma Tvam Kamala Matihi Sahachara Prana Shariram Gruham Pujate Vishayopabhogarachana Nidra Samadhistitihi Sanchara Padayo Pradakshina Vidhi Stotrani Sarva Girah Yad Karma Karomi Tattadakhilam Vishnu Tavaradhanam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So in the fourth padam, instead of Shambho, if we say Vishnu, it will become a Vishnu Prarthana, Vishnu Stotra. So this I have done to just add a fine element there, converting it as Vishnu Stotra. Vishnu Stotra, those who like, those who are more fond of Vishnu can chant this as a Vishnu Stotra like this, my dear friends. So fantastic meaning there. So we'll just chant this stotra again and wrap up this video. Atma Tvam Kamalamati Sahajara Prana Shariram Gruham Pujate Vishayopabhogarachana Nidra Samadhistitihi Sanchara Padayo Pradakshina Vidhi Stotrani Sarva Girah Yad Karma Karomi Tattadakhilam Vishnu Tavaradhanam. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So now today we have learned This work is worship stotra, first as Shiva stotra and then as Vishnu stotra. Also, we learned this. It has got wonderful meaning, fantastic. I have given the entire lyrics on the YouTube screen. You can just take snapshot and mug up and daily chant this and read wonderful good benefits, my dear friends. So I'll wrap up this video. This is Suhas DP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Also, I am conducting special coaching classes and wonderful and amazing Sanskrit devotion stotras, and then chandas, that is Sanskrit poetic meters, and then late Carnatic classical music as well. All those interested to join my classes, please catch me direct on 8762331815. That is it, my dear friends. We will just meet shortly in my upcoming video with one more fantastic devotional stotra from devotion of Sanskrit literature and deal with verbatim meanings and chandas, etc. Bye for now. This is Suhas DP from Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. Hari Om Shakti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.